Let's start discussing questions related to grammar portion. So अब हम कुछ एक्सरसाइजेस को डील करेंगे जो एडजेक्टिव से रिलेटेड होंगी. एडजेक्टिव्स क्या होते हैं? कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जो नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं और क्वालिफाई करते हैं. उनके बारे में हमें बताते हैं कि वो किस तरह का नाउन है. So order of adjectives क्या होता है? In English it is common to use more than one adjective to describe a noun. मतलब हम एक नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए एक से ज़्यादा adjectives यूज़ कर सकते हैं. These adjectives must be used in the proper order. अगर हम बहुत सारे adjectives यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो उसके कुछ rules and regulations हैं कि उनको एक sequence में यूज़ करना होगा. Example, here is a beautiful red cloth flag. So why does beautiful come before red and why does red come before cloth? Understanding the proper order of adjectives needs practice. Let's see. Use the following table to practice using the proper order of adjectives in the following sentences. तो हमें ये टेबल दिया गया है. इसमें कौन कौन सी कैटेगरीज हैं? पहले आती है नंबर की, फिर आती है ओपिनियन की, then size, then age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose, and then नाउन आता है जिसको हम क्वालिफाई कर रहे हैं. सो इससे रिलेटेड हमें कुछ एक्सरसाइजेस दी गई हैं. फर्स्ट इज टेल विच ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस आर इन द यूजुअल करेक्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. तो हमें कुछ सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं, हमें उनको चूज़ करना है उस बॉक्स को देख के कि जिसमें एडजेक्टिव का सीक्वेंस सही है. सो फर्स्ट इज शी वॉज वेयरिंग रेड ब्यूटिफुल शूज़ एंड देन शी वॉज वेयरिंग ब्यूटिफुल रेड शूज़. तो इसमें कौन सा होगा? अगर आप बॉक्स को देखो तो शी वॉज वेयरिंग ब्यूटिफुल रेड शूज़ होगा. सेकेंड इज ही इज़ जस्ट एन ओल्ड सिली मैन, ही इज़ जस्ट अ सिली ओल्ड मैन. फिर से ये सेकेंड होगा. थर्ड इज शी बॉट अ न्यू पावरफुल कंप्यूटर, शी बॉट अ पावरफुल न्यू कंप्यूटर. अगेन सेकेंड वाला जो है इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. फोर्थ इज they have just moved into a modern big house, they have just moved into a big modern house. Again second option is correct. Fifth is last night I watched an interesting German film. Last night I watched a German interesting film. So first one is the correct order. Sixth is I need a new electronic dictionary. I need an electronic new dictionary. First one is correct. Seventh is my cellar is full of black big spiders. My cellar is full of big black spiders. Second one is the correct order. Eighth is she was carrying a new beautiful bag. She was carrying a beautiful new bag. Again, this one is correct. Ninth is I hate this awful wet weather. I hate this wet awful weather. So first one is correct. 10th, I like that small glass coffee table. I like that glass small coffee table. I like that coffee glass small table. So the first one is correct. I like that small glass coffee table. 11th is there is a red horrible insect on your bag. There is a horrible red insect on your bag. So there is a horrible red insect. Second one is correct. 12th is SimCity is a new exciting computer game. SimCity is a new computer exciting game. SimCity is an exciting new computer game. So last one is the correct order. Third is I ate hot delicious soup for lunch. I ate delicious hot soup for lunch. ये second वाला correct है. 14th is they lived in a wonderful old wooden house. They live in an old wonderful wooden house. They live in a wooden wonderful old house. First वाला correct होगा. They live in a wonderful old wooden house. 15 is they are a heavy loud metal band. They are a loud heavy metal band. They are a metal heavy loud band. Second wala jo hai is the correct order. Let's move on to the next exercise which is fill in the blanks with proper order of adjectives in the parentheses. तो हमें parentheses में कुछ adjectives दिए गए हैं जो एक से obviously ज़्यादा हैं, तो उनको हमने box में देख के correct order में place करना है और blanks में लिखना है. So let's begin. First is we wanted dash and हमारे पास कौन से adjectives हैं parentheses में? Grey, a, metal and then we have noun table. तो ये हो जाएगा we wanted a grey metal table. Second is they bought dash and then we have these adjectives. Red, a new car. They bought a new red car. Third is she went home and sat on dash comfortable her wooden old bed. Sat on her comfortable old wooden bed. Fourth is he bought dash woolen a Bannu fabulous suit. A fabulous Bannu woolen suit. Fifth is they have dash Dutch black bicycles. They have black Dutch bicycles. Sixth is he wants dash some French delicious really cheese. تو یہاں پہ آ جائے گا he wants some really delicious French cheese. Seventh is dash young energetic man walked into the room. An energetic article تھا لیکن energetic کے ساتھ an لگے گا. Young man walked into the room. Eighth is he has dash a lot of old interesting books. He has یہ already order میں لکھا ہوا ہے a lot of old interesting books. Ninth is she bought dash plastic red a new lunch box. She bought a new red plastic lunch box. Tenth is he's looking for dash leather stylish or black bag. He's looking for a stylish black leather bag. 11th is she dropped dash old beautiful the plate and it smashed. She dropped the beautiful old plate and it smashed. 12th is I want dash silk green and amazing dress. I want an amazing green silk dress. 13th is she drank dash Italian black hot coffee. She drank hot black Italian coffee. 14th is he saw dash French writing old and desk. He saw an old French writing desk. 15th is they stayed in dash little a cute cottage. They stayed in a cute little cottage. 16th is I visited dash ancient a spooky German castle. I visited a spooky ancient German castle. 17th is he has dash silver old beautiful ring. He has a beautiful old silver ring. 18th is we ate dash green Iranian round some apples. We ate some round green Iranian apples. 19th is I need dash computer comfortable a desk. I need a comfortable computer desk. 20th is they went on holiday to small wooden beautiful cabin. They went on holiday to a beautiful small wooden cabin. Let's move forward to the next question, which is combine two sentences together to make one sentence. Put the adjective clause after the noun that it describes. You can use who or that to put the clauses together. تو اب ہم نے کیا کرنا ہے، دو sentences دیے گئے ہیں، ان کو ہم نے join کرنا ہے، اور کون سے conjunctions ہم use کر سکتے ہیں. We can use either who or that. So let's see کیسے ہوگا. Example دیکھ لیتے ہیں. The student is a very nice person. She comes from Lahore. The student who comes from Lahore is a very nice person. So اس میں who کا use کیا گیا ہے. Let's see how we'll do it. We sent a package to our relatives. They live in Karachi. یہ ہو جائے گا we sent a package to our relatives who live in Karachi. اور یہاں پہ ہم نے who کا use کیا. Second is, the woman works as a cashier. She sits next to me in class. The woman who sits next to me in class works as a cashier. یہاں پہ who کا use ہوا ہے. Third is, that's the book. Everyone is reading it. تو یہاں پہ ہو جائے گا that's the book that everyone is reading. Fourth is we bought some trees. Our neighborhood told us they were on sale. यहाँ पे हो जाएगा we bought some trees that our neighborhood told us were on sale. Fifth is the car has a bad engine. I bought it last month. The car that I bought last month has a bad engine. Sixth is I lived in an apartment building. It had a very slow elevator. I lived in an apartment building that had a very slow elevator. Seventh is you should see a doctor. He can help you with your back problems. You should see a doctor who can help you with your back problems. Eighth is the tornado was extremely powerful. It hit Minnesota. इसमें हो जाएगा the tornado that hit Minnesota was extremely powerful. Ninth is we saw the woman at the grocery store. She lives next door to us. We saw the woman who lives next door to us at the grocery store. 10th is my wife returned the plants. They were too big for me. My wife returned the plants that were too big for me. Thank you. So with this, we have come towards the end of our today's video lecture. I hope जो भी आज हमने पढ़ा वो आपको clarity के साथ समझ आया होगा. Inshallah, we'll be talking about some new topics in our next video. Till then, take care. This is Maha, your English instructor, signing out.